Welcome to this video, where we will demonstrate how to use the AWS Schema Conversion Tool to convert the Oracle database schema to Amazon Aurora MySQL. You can find the full step-by-step database migration guide on the AWS Database Migration Service documentation website. This video walks through a specific part of the database migration project, which is related to database schema conversion. To follow the steps shown in this video, you need to create Oracle and Amazon Aurora MySQL databases. The creation of these objects is out of the scope of this video. First of all, we launch the AWS Schema Conversion Tool and create a new database migration project. We add a source database and choose Oracle. Next, we enter the connection name and credentials. AWS SCT connected to the source Oracle database. Now, we add a target database and choose Amazon Aurora MySQL compatible. We enter the connection name and credentials. AWS SCT connected to the target Aurora MySQL database. In the source metadata tree, we select the Chinook database schema, which we need to convert. We then select the target Aurora MySQL database and choose Create Mapping. After we created the mapping rule, AWS SCT can convert source Oracle database schema to Aurora MySQL. We switch to the main view to start the conversion. AWS SCT highlights the mapped schema in bold. In the source metadata tree, we select the Chinook database schema, which we need to convert. From the context menu, we choose Create Report. Now, AWS SCT analyzes the source database schema to create an assessment report. This report includes all issues identified for the current database migration project and actions to resolve these issues. AWS SCT completed the analysis and displayed the assessment report for review. You can see that our source Oracle database schema has 4 objects that require simple manual conversion actions. AWS SCT shows all places in the source code where this action item occurs. The upper area shows a recommended action for every issue. From the context menu, we choose Convert Schema. We then agree to override existing database objects in the target database. After this, AWS SCT starts the conversion. After AWS SCT completes the conversion, the converted schema appears in the target metadata tree. We open the context menu in the target metadata tree and apply the converted code to the target database. We refresh the target database schema to make sure that all database objects are applied. This completes the overview of the Oracle database schema conversion to Amazon Aurora MySQL. Thanks for watching this video.